Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. First of all, we will block the number which is currently saved, so we will block a contact. And then I'll show you another way which is more manual. So let's start with opening your contact list. Right here, let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap. And then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from the number, so simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon and we've got this information, so the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist, because it is the section which will enter in the second way of blocking the number. It does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers. And as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So the first option also works. And here we've got more manual way to block a number, because we have to tap on add a number. Let's tap on this option, and as you can see, you can enter it manually. You can of course also paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will also immediately appear on the blacklist. You can also turn this option unknown just by tapping on the switcher and turn it off the same way. So your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can also unblock the number here just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.